Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to download Reels on from Instagram on your iPhone. So now Reels are a fun way of, these are really fun, and sometimes you want to download these and you want to share them with your friends. So how do you download them on your gallery?
Is red.
So first of all, I'm going to press on these three dots that are below the send button. Press on that, and now here you see this button that says link, so I can press on that and it says link copy to the clipboard. Now I'm going to open my Safari browser, and before making this video I searched for an Instagram reel downloader and I found this website, which is realit.io. I'm going to open that, and I'm just simply gonna paste my link down here, and I'm gonna press this download button right next to it, so it's fetching the link. And now you see this is the reel we were watching earlier on, and I can press download. And you see your download is ready. Do you want download? Blah blah blah. I'm gonna hit download, and it is downloading. And now
This is what it's like to be known as dead. Now open up your eyes, you see the world that is red. Now what's the word, Captain?
So that is how you can download the reels, and then on iPhone you can share it among your friends. You can save this video in your galleries. So that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.